LUS is committed to our customers. From providing and maintaining energy-efficient utility services to friendly, helpful customer service, LUS is there. Because we don't just work in Lawrence County, we live here too.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Any stray thunder shower there may be from the evening will be settling down overnight, becoming mostly clear toward daybreak. Morning lows in the mid to upper 60s, and then a hot day for Friday before more showers and thunderstorms, and then a switch to more comfortable temperatures again. Maybe a thunder shower the next hour or two. No big deal with that. Partly cloudy to mostly clear through the early morning, starting between 65 and 70 for most of us for morning lows, and then partly cloudy through the day, getting into the mid-90s by the afternoon. Even though you don't see it on the computer model here, there may be a stray thunder shower as early as 3 or 4 o'clock. I've added the 20% chance of that, just because of how hot and humid and unstable it's going to be. But the big rain chances hold off until near sunset and on into the overnight. We'll see showers and thunderstorms by 6, 7, 8 o'clock get going in the area. This will be timed to where there may definitely be an impact on Friday night high school football games, so be aware of that. We're talking about lightning, thunder, gusty winds, small hail, heavy rainfall, maybe a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. And then off and on showers and thunderstorms into the overnight. I think it's that first round we're going to have to watch between 6 p.m. and about midnight. They may have 1 or 2 severe thunderstorm warnings, and then there will still be showers and thunderstorms after that for the overnight in the morning hours of Saturday, but the atmosphere is likely worked over and rain cooled at that point. And scattered showers and thunderstorms into the midday and early afternoon of Saturday, as a matter of fact. With that Friday evening round, especially maybe a couple of isolated storms with 40, 50, 60 mile per hour winds and small hail, so there could be a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. Not expecting tornadoes on the board. That threat is as close to zero as is possible. There could be some localized street flooding with a few different rounds of heavy rain, but we've been dry here for a while. We can absorb some heavy rain, but there could be some low-lying areas that see some minor flooding, but not expecting a major flooding situation across the area. By the afternoon of Saturday, things will be shifting southward, and then partly cloudy to mostly sunny on Sunday, staying dry through next week, partly cloudy Monday and Tuesday, and then mostly sunny toward the second half of the week. One more hot day ahead with highs in the mid-90s on our Friday, and then that 79 you see on Saturday that may be too warm. If the showers and thunderstorms Saturday morning linger into the midday and they're pretty widespread, maybe upper 60s to lower 70s instead. It's just there's potential for a few sun breaks and getting the temperatures up. That's why we're not ready to drop them that much just yet. But back to comfortable temperatures as we head into the late weekend and next week, back into the 80s instead of the 90s we'll have tomorrow. As you get up tomorrow morning, get that first cup of coffee on the way out the door, mid to upper 60s with mostly clear skies, and then a hot day by the afternoon, mid 90s around mostly sunny, but maybe a stray thunder shower as early as the mid-afternoon. It's the evening and the overnight hours when showers and thunderstorms are likely. Those will carry over into the first half of Saturday. Dry for Sunday and dry for next week. Back to the mid to upper 80s as we get to the second half of next week. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be filling in for Ben Luna tomorrow morning while he heads off to a weather conference in Huntsville. I will be here at 6 a.m. with your wake-up weather forecast.